Hi everyone. So now we are going to talk about earth magnetism, elements of earth magnetism. Okay, elements of earth magnetism. So here we are going to discuss the important aspects of magnetism and what are the important terms, what are the elements of earth magnetism. And one more thing you have to note that in earth magnetism, like in textbook, unupdated textbook, not the updated one, the diagram is a little bit different. That is, south is here, north is here. That is wrong. Okay. So actually, you can note down this one, and if you can change in your textbook, that would be fine. Okay. So let's talk about that, and I'll explain one by one definition. And first of all, you have to note that this is the geographic north and this is geographic south. That is very clear. This is what is Earth. Okay, the spherical shape of that Earth. So one thing you have to note, geographic north and geographic south. Alright. So then, listen. So Earth is spinning around this, about an axis which is known as geographic axis. So what is geographic axis? So Earth is spinning about an axis which is known as geographic axis, geographic north and geographic south. Alright. So then, a vertical plane is passing through the geographic axis. A vertical plane is passing through geographic axis, that is known as geographic meridian. Geographic meridian. Okay, this might be a new term for you. Like you must have studied this before. Okay. So next is then the great circle which is passing through the great circle which is passing through which is perpendicular to the Earth geographic axis, that is known as geographic equator. This is perpendicular to geographic axis is known as geographic equator. So we know that geographic equator would be like somewhere here. Okay. So next is similar to that. So we have a magnetic axis. What is a magnetic axis? The straight line which connects magnetic poles of Earth is known as magnetic axis. So here we are considering there is a magnet inside the Earth. Where there is a south pole is here, north pole is here, geographic north, geographic south. Okay, please note that. So the axis which is passing through both the poles, magnetic poles, south and north, that is known as magnetic axis. And the plane passing through, the vertical plane passing through the geographic axis, through magnetic axis is known as magnetic meridian. Okay, magnetic axis, magnetic meridian. Then what about that? The great circle which is passing through, which is perpendicular to the magnetic axis, which is known as magnetic equator. Okay. So all these 6 terms are clear, I guess. Am I right? Okay. Next we are going to talk about magnetic declination. Magnetic declination. The angle between magnetic meridian at a point and geographical meridian is called magnetic declination. Look at this. So the plane passing through this will be here. The plane would be like this, and the geographic meridian would be like this. So the angle between magnetic meridian and geographic meridian is known as angle of declination. D. Angle of declination. D. Okay. Next is, and also one more, few more points you have to know. At higher latitudes, the declination is greater, and at equator, the declination will be very less. Okay, declination will be very less. In India, the declination is very small, and even for example, in Chennai, it is 1 degree 8 minute. 1 degree 8 minute. Okay, so that much will be the declination in Chennai. Okay, and it is actually this 1 degree 8 minute, which is minus 1 degree 8 minute. What is minus? We are measuring in the west direction. We are measuring in the west direction. Okay, next is magnetic dip angle or inclination. Okay, the angle subtended by Earth's total magnetic field B with the horizontal direction in the magnetic meridian is called dip or magnetic inclination. Okay, so which is total magnetic field to horizontal meridian, that is known as dip angle or magnetic inclination. Okay, so and that is what is the inclination for Chennai. It is 14 degree 6 minute. Inclination for Chennai is almost 14 degree 6 minute. Okay, 16 minute. I'm sorry, 16 minute. Okay, so there are many fact-based things in this particular chapter. So all are, like I told you, all are theory topics. You have to refer along. Okay, so I make it clear, and you can refer the textbook. Okay, and then the final one is the horizontal component of earth magnetic field. That is very clear. The horizontal component of Earth magnetic field. That is a component of Earth magnetic field along the horizontal direction in the magnetic meridian is called horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field, denoted by BH. So B would be total magnetic field, that is Earth magnetic field. So BE would be total Earth magnetic field. And what about BE cos theta? BE cos theta is equal to BH. What about BE sin theta? That is B horizontal vertical, BV vertical. Okay. And where theta is nothing but, what is theta? I. Theta is nothing but I. Okay. So I can write BE sin I is equal to BV, that is vertical. BE cos I is equal to BH. Okay, that is the thing. And then what about you can divide them. So what about tan I? Tan I is equal to BV divided by BH. BV divided by BH. Okay. So next we will discuss further more important information regarding this electromagnetic field, and we will continue the discussion.